on this side, floors probably. Would love to have like a projector screen that comes down. And then you don't have the projector like in like the bed, which would sit like right here. That's step one. And we want to have this raised probably like 5 or 6 inches, like in the middle, and then here, this little square right here for like a little step up onto the bed, so I don't have to like, I don't even know how to get on the bed any other way, but, so yeah, storage in the middle, and then this side is getting our water system, so it'll be underneath. So the bottom part of this will be just the water system. Top part will be storage. And then under this will be our electrical system. Then here will be the sink. So we're just keeping all the water stuff on one side. Sink here, shower. We're gonna try to be innovative and have it kind of on slides that pull out. And then when it pulls out, or even when it's closed really, it's like a pantry, cabinet, hanging storage type of situation with a table that you can click up on the end. And then all this will be the kitchen area. We were gonna do like a full fridge freezer, but looking more into it, it wouldn't really fit in our space. So I'm probably gonna do a chest freezer, like a chest fridge freezer on drawer slides, like where the opening is probably for the sliders, just so there's more space. And then like either like a stove top, and we have like a little like mini convection oven that we can use. So that's the plan so far. Overhead cabinet storage in the kitchen. So I'll do that, and then I'm going to put down more sound deadener. That's what the little, I'm sure you can see it, the blue squares are sound deadener. So I'll put more on the floor and on the sides. I think we want a window here, and then probably over here. We've ordered 2 windows already. They're already here. So just, yeah. Then we'll have solar on the roof, we'll have batteries. Want to be able to go fully off grid. I guess probably be boring. I don't even think you can hear me because there's a lawnmower going. But yeah, Brandon will be making an appearance in these videos, but it's probably just gonna be me talking. She's very shy. So I got my notebook, write down where I might just like kind of talk through it just to so you guys can hear what I'm saying, but then also so my brain, I need to like say things out loud in order to remember them and to like work through it, so bear with me for my chatter. I'm gonna be really sad if you can't even hear a word I'm saying. I had a clip-on mic and then my dog ate it, so I'll have to order more of those. The solar setup, figuring that out will be another day. That's a whole other can of worms. On this side, I don't know. Okay, so you can actually hear me. That was probably a jump scare. So, I'm not sure if you want like a built-in stovetop, and we've been going back and forth whether we want like a propane or if we want just like a induction, so like the glass top, the electric ones. They do take a lot of power, but also then we won't have to run propane lines. That also freaks me out. There's a lot of propane in our tank, in our house. So looking more towards like an induction. But again, don't know if we want one built in or one that we can like plug in when we want to use it and then unplug and put it away. Alright, so Here's a sound deadener. Brandon has cut them into thirds, but I think I might have to cut them again because I don't think they'll fit between them. I don't know if they have to be perfect fit. Like, I don't know if it makes it not as good if they are too big for the space. Ugh, okay. Also, I'm like too short for that. We took off the rails. Okay. So I'll just start putting this up, I guess. I can't wait till we get a floor in here because this floor hurts my legs. I have to cut more of this, which kind of scares me because I don't like knives or needles. Which is ironic because I'm a nurse and I use them all the time, but they scare me. Every time I go to give a patient a shot, my heart's like pounding. But it goes fine, so I don't know why I freak myself out every single time. But just anxiety. Those birds, like, just gotta swoop in here. You know what? I think this is fine. I don't have to cut them into even smaller pieces. There's no point wasting time doing that when this is perfectly fine. Please take. Okay. And then I don't know if I need it. You guys ready? Ready for sound? That didn't sound different. Okay, that one sounded better. Okay, that sounds better. Maybe it's just like once it's kind of all settled on there. But again, I don't know if I need to do it on every single one. So theoretically, it's like, if you use 30% coverage, you're good. I don't know what that means. Also, I don't know if we're gonna do up there, but that's gonna be a Brandon issue because I can't reach that. These ceilings are so tall, that's why we chose the Ford Transit high roof. I think it has like the tallest of like the 30, you know, most common types between the Ram ProMaster, Mercedes. Ford has the tallest. If we were any taller, if Brandon was like more than 5'9", 5'10", we couldn't raise the inside like we plan on, but because he's shorter, it works out. We don't have a table, so we're using what we have. You're going for a ride. Okay, he might be a little unstable because you're not. I need a knife. That would help. So I've got Brandon's X-Acto knife. Our little table. It's a little flimsy, but it'll be fine. All right. This is, I think, our last pack. So I'm gonna start doing the back. I just done nothing back there. Oh God, I'm dropping everything. I'm not sure if this is the last pack or not. Brandon ordered them. guess that's kind of correct. I don't know, whatever. We'll call it good. And then he took this and he made a straight line with it. Although I doubt I'm gonna be able to get a straight line. That's pretty good. Okay. Those aren't even. That's really not even. Scaring me. How did he do this? He just scored? This is freaking me out. It's moving. Why is it moving? Okay, I guess we're not using that. Oh, it worked! I did it! Oopsies, not all the way through. That is so crooked. Oh wow. He's gonna be really, he's like, Mads, what'd you do? I made not straight lines, but it's fine. Okay, that doesn't look even, so I'm gonna go a little bit more to the right because that looks even. This is what happens when I cut brownies or something. I always think I'm in the middle and then I'm really not. I think also because this is moving, it's really not helping me. But I don't want to cut myself. One more little go through and I think we'll be good. Yay! One down. Alrighty, so this is all we have done so far. Definitely want to get another pack. That was the last of it for this section and then for like down below and the walls. But this was today's work. And that's it so far.